Are you looking for a way to change the mood of your backyard? Well, XMCOSY has their S14 string lights that do a fantastic job. Installation was very simple. It was a 98-foot pack and a 49-foot pack in their white profile.
And the convenient part is you could take these two packs, 49 foot and the 98 linear foot pack, and you can link them together. You could do this up to 144 linear feet using one controller.
Now, as far as the light's build quality goes, these were meant to mimic an S14 incandescent light. So they've given it a really good style to it. Now, I personally have had the string lights that are made out of glass, and it causes a big problem for one reason. They can blow out when they get hot and when they get cold too fast. I've had several of mine break. So I've really enjoyed the plastic housing that I have on these, but they don't feel chintzy, and they've got a really nice design to it. Now, they are meant for cold and hot weathers, and as of right now it's raining, and these are handling them just like a champ. This is their LED string lights. It's fully controllable through their app. The app is very simple to use. I've got these on the dimmable selection for those of you guys who like a very nice, calm, relaxed light. Now, this allows me to change it all the way from 1% all the way up to 100% on the app or anything in between. So if I want something around 25%, I've got it. 50% brightness, I've got it. 75% brightness, or you can put it at the highest setting, or just find something in between. Now, there's a bunch of things I really enjoy about the XMCOSY lights. Number one, the app control allows me to plan around what I want to do. So if I want to set a schedule, have the lights turn on at 8:30 at night and also turn off at 11:30 at night, they are going to do that. I can also set scenes as well. Now, one of the other things is if you've got kids that are just way too nosy with the apps and they're just always flipping things on and they don't do a good job, but they're dead set on wanting to set ambiance in the backyard, you can set a timer for the string lights. So if you want them to go on for 15 minutes, you can do that. These lights are controllable through Alexa, and it's just this easy. You're going to install the app and link it to Alexa. Turn off the XMCOSY string lights. Just that easy. You want to turn them on? Turn on the XMCOSY string lights. And there you have it. I can also set scenes as well, which basically means that I can change the mood to some pre-programmed moods. So if I want to go to a night mode, it's going to bring it down into more relaxation. I can go to a pre-programmed read mode, working mode. They've got one called leisure, and they've also got one called flash. Now, here's my flash mode that I was telling you about. Flickers on and off, and it's flashing. Now, let's just say you wanted to edit this. You want the speed to be a little bit faster, and you want the brightness to be a little bit higher as well. You just hit submit here real quick, and now you have more of a strobe light situation. Now, if you're not the type of person that wants to have a seizure, you can go back here and edit it, and we can bring that flash speed way down, and we can also bring the color way down and hit submit, and now we have something a lot more reasonable. Now, if you're interested in something a little bit more smooth, they have the breathe mode settings that we can come in here, and again, we can manipulate these however we want. We can change the brightness. We can also change how fast it's going to go between the two. So I'm going to put it down by 50%, hit submit here, and now you can see we've got something really nice and elegant, and it just kind of goes up and down at your will. So you can really speed these up and slow them down. The nice thing is you can create a bunch of these scenes however you want, and you can name them however you'd like as well, and you can choose between static, flash, and breathe. Best part is they're LED, so you're going to have that savings on the power, so you don't have to stress about running them quite as long as you would the incandescent lights. I would say the biggest thing that I'm most upset about is that I didn't get enough lights to do more of my backyard. So this area that I have here, I've strung two of their string lights together, one 98 foot and one 49 foot pack, and together you can do around 144 linear feet together according to the instructions with one controller. This was my experience with the XMCOSY string lights.